Ukrainian kamikaze drones attacked the territory of the Kazan aviation plant. The attack on the airfield took place at about 5 a.m., resulting in an explosion and a fire on the territory of the factory airfield. The press service of the head of Tatarstan reported that one of the city's industrial enterprises had been attacked by drones. It is noted that all the drones were intercepted and there were no casualties or damage to infrastructure. It has not been reported why an explosion and fire broke out at the airfield during the kamikaze drone attack. Local residents report that a fuel tank on the territory of the airfield was hit. According to the OSINT analysis of photo and video materials, the tanks were attacked at coordinates which are located near the Capo Composite hangar, which specializes in the manufacture of aircraft frame components from composite materials. The company is part of Tupolev, which is part of the United Aircraft Corporation, and is engaged in the modernization and production of Tu-160 strategic bombers and civilian Tu-204s. In June 2024, the plant completed the modernization of 3 workshops for the production of new Tu-160 bombers. It should also be noted that the Kazan aviation plant is modernizing Tu-22M3 aircraft. Earlier, Militarny reported that attack drones hit the Lyudanovo oil depot of Kaluga Nefteprodukt in Lyudanovo, Kaluga region of the Russian Federation. This oil depot belongs to Kaluga Nefteprodukt, a subsidiary of Rosneft. The tank farm in Lyudanovo has 9 tanks with a total capacity of 6,700 cubic meters. In addition to the information about the damage to the oil depot, there were reports of a possible damage to the Kaluga instrument-making enterprise Typhoon, and the depots hit in previous strikes are still burning. According to Russian sources, a Ukrainian drone strike on a fuel depot in Lyudanovo recently damaged 4 tanks, 1,000 cubic meters each, causing a fire over 1,500 square meters. 3 tanks with diesel and 1 with gasoline were hit. Ukrainian forces are depleting Russian resources in Kursk. The drone flew in to check the ammunition depot and joined the party. The destruction of ammunition depots is critically important in modern warfare for several reasons. Ammunition depots serve as the lifeline for sustained military operations, providing essential supplies of weapons, ammunition, and other critical equipment. Yesterday morning, Russian armored vehicles advanced toward Ukrainian positions near Pishchane. The Achilles UAV Battalion, together with guards from the 1st Buravy Brigade and 77th Airmobile Brigade, destroyed the armor before the mine-clearing tank could clear the way for more equipment. Pishchane, a village in eastern Ukraine, has been a focal point of intense military activity in recent months. Located near the strategic city of Pokrovsk, it holds significant importance due to its proximity to key supply routes and coal mining operations. In September 2024, Russian forces launched a large-scale assault near Pishchane, deploying approximately 50 armored vehicles. The Ukrainian armed forces successfully repelled this attack, destroying or damaging 40 pieces of Russian equipment. By January 2025, reports indicated that Russian forces had captured Pishchane, marking a significant development in the region. This advance allowed Russian troops to reach the outskirts of Pokrovsk, a critical logistics hub for Ukrainian forces. Russian soldiers in the Kursk direction are forced to build dugouts at their own expense. Captured Russian soldier Pavel Smirnov spoke about the difficult conditions of service in the Kursk direction.
And we built dugouts at our own expense. We pulled money to build dugouts. To whom and how much did we give? I can't say for sure, but we transferred from our accounts by phone. They transferred, not Comrigs. No, not Comrigs. In general, they probably transferred the money. How much? Probably yes, they collected 10,000 from us and transferred the money. And we built dugouts. They brought us building materials. We built dugouts. And what are people saying about this? Everyone likes it, right? Nobody likes it, of course. We just didn't have a choice. Everything was completely forced on us. But all attitudes towards this, towards all the command, I simply I don't know what to say. 30 minutes. How many cases did you hear of in Sochi? While I was there, they brought 2 in front of me. Then I heard on the radio too. 500 are not going, and that's it. They had already been there, they know, but we didn't know. As if we had already left. And then we hear on the radio that they are refusing to go. What to do with them? I don't know. They promised to do something bad.
Kellogg. Russia, despite escalating, is ready to stop after 3 years of war. North Korea doubles troops in Ukraine. Russia-Iran deal is weak, and both fear Trump's return. Desperation, not strength, defines their axis.
Well, I think it's going to be solved. I think both sides are, even though the Russians don't really say it, I think both sides are wanting to get to some type of resolution. You know, when you fight a war for 3 years, it just does degrade the heck out of you. And when you look at the troop losses, the equipment losses, and the potential what President Trump can apply, be it sanctions or on the oil industry of Russia, they should be concerned about it. But I think it's something you have to develop with a very comprehensive strategy. I think that's coming together right now. President Trump doesn't talk about it, nor should any of us talk about it. But I'm very, very confident that within the near term, that we're going to have some good results on bringing finally some peace to that region between Ukraine and Russia. And it's going to affect everybody else around the world as well.
The United States Army has started testing the latest tactical vehicle NGTV-H, Next Generation Tactical Vehicle Hybrid, with a hybrid propulsion system. The relevant photos were published on the Defense Visual Information Distribution Service platform. The vehicle, developed and manufactured by GM Defense, has been put into service with the 3rd Brigade of the 10th Mountain Division of the U.S. Army. The new vehicle was tested as part of the Combined Resolve 2501 exercise in Germany. The photos from the exercise also show the use of Anduril Ghost X and PDWC 100D UAVs, a Skydio X-2D quadcopter, a SMET wheeled unmanned vehicle, and a STEED electric trolley. It is known that the NGTV-H is based on the chassis of the Chevy Silverado SUV and uses a Duramax engine combined with an electric battery that powers the electric motors. The battery has a capacity of 300 kilowatt hours, and the fuel tank is 56 liters.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.